What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I will be radically transforming the face, the look, the feel, the color of these Christmas trees. You don't want to miss it. Oh yeah, and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Alright, great people, so now I have my trees in the backyard at which I'm going to go ahead and make this party started, I have spray paint that I'm going to use to make it all nice and Christmassy, like festive, like, you know, the look that we're going to go for. And so, you know, we're going to make it happen. So, spray paint on hand, thoughts in mind. Let's see what we get, okay? Let's get this spraying! Alright, great people, so I have brought these trees up to the front so they can dry, which you can't even see them, so nonetheless you have to take my word for it. But now we are about to put them back to where they were, which is right over there, okay? Put them there, show you all, and let you know the inspiration behind each tree that I painted it, because honestly I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning, but as I was on to the third tree, I had an idea about time to the fourth tree. I was like, okay, I am ready. But at the end of the day, that was it, so whatever. Let's put them down! Alright, beautiful people, so now it's time to talk inspiration. And what I can say is, for those who watched the video of me building these and then the talks of Crystal and I about spraying them and all that good stuff and painting them together, well, it is like Florida cold out here, so like cold enough that we thought it would be best that the kids stay inside and all that good stuff, so they did not participate, but nonetheless they will get to see the work in which their dad put into their Christmas tree. So as you all see, we start off with little man, and it's like a ombre, right? It's a white, red, and green ombre is what I was going for, right? And then so clearly I was new to the game, so I had the same concept with reins, and you know, it's the green on top, so I have like a green stem. Okay, the stem is green, that's why it's green at the top, green at the bottom, and then we have the white and the red, okay? And then we have crystals, which was the last one I did, and you can see I started to get a little bit advanced. So you have a green like base at the end of the day, and then I lightly sprayed it with the red on top, and then I frosted the tips, the ends with white, okay? From the sides, on both sides, all the way to the top, and even the bottom, there is the white frost, okay? So as you can see, like, my level of progression and ability to create artistically grew, okay? And then last but not least, we have mine, which was the third one. It was, you know, blah, blah, blah. Green, white, red, green, okay? With the red stem with the frosted white in the in-between of the stem, right? So that is my inspiration. That is what I did. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was going for as I did it. And nonetheless, I am happy for it. And hopefully I can get Rain's reaction, because we all know like Rain gives the best reactions to things such as this. So hopefully I'll be able to capture it and put it on this video. Or you didn't, because I wasn't able to get it. But nonetheless, we love you, beautiful people, and we will see you for tomorrow's video, which is actually a giveaway video, so you don't want to miss it. Love you. Peace.